debatable question, I would say, right? But yes, to ask my perspective and as well as the perspective of majority of people in the industry whom I work with, I think Python is way better, or is much better than R because of certain reasons. It's not like we have fancied over Python. The reason for which Python, I would say, I would prefer Python over R is ease of deployment. I mean, you can build a statistical model, you can build a machine learning model, but at the end of the day, you need to, deploy the model, you need to integrate the model with a system, right? Just an example, if I want to integrate maybe a machine learning model with an existing search engine of maybe a website, or maybe with an application in a cell phone, right? So integrating a Python code with the base engines are much easier than R, I would say. That's the reason people prefer Python hands down any day more than R these days.